Welcome back to Aura Luxury Motors, where we bring you the pinnacle of automotive excellence and redefine the standards of elite travel. Today, we are stepping into a realm of opulence that was once thought impossible in a mobile format. It is our absolute pleasure to introduce the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Motorhome, a vehicle that is not just a mode of transport, but a rolling sanctuary, a five-star suite on wheels that merges the legendary craftsmanship of Maybach with the adventurous spirit of a high-end cruiser. When you first look at the exterior of this masterpiece, it is immediately clear that this is no ordinary camper. The 2026 Maybach Motorhome commands attention with its imposing yet graceful silhouette. The front fascia is dominated by the iconic Maybach vertical slat grille, finished in high-gloss chrome that gleams with authority. Flanking this are the cutting-edge digital light headlamps, which use millions of pixels to project symbols onto the road and provide unparalleled visibility. The signature two-tone paintwork, a hallmark of the Maybach brand, flows seamlessly across the aerodynamically sculpted body panels, reducing drag while enhancing its majestic presence. You will notice the subtle use of rose gold accents in the lighting elements and the 21-inch exclusive forged wheels that feature the distinctive Maybach monogram. Every line on this vehicle has been refined to ensure it doesn't just cut through the air, but glides through it with a level of sophistication usually reserved for flagship sedans. Stepping inside is where the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Motorhome truly separates itself from any competitor. The cabin is a masterclass in artisanal luxury. As the electric comfort doors whisper open, you are greeted by the scent of hand-stitched Nappa leather and the sight of sustainable open-pore wood trim with aluminum overlays. The cockpit features the latest MBUX Hyperscreen, a pillar-to-pillar glass display that uses artificial intelligence to learn the driver's habits. But the true magic lies in the living quarters. The executive lounge area features twin reclining seats with massage, heating, and ventilation functions, mirrored after the S-Class Maybach. Towards the rear, the motorhome transitions into a private master suite. Here, you'll find a queen-size memory foam bed tucked beneath a panoramic sunroof that can turn opaque at the touch of a button for total privacy. The kitchenette is equipped with high-end induction surfaces and a hidden refrigerator specifically calibrated to hold your champagne at the perfect temperature, complete with silver-plated flutes. The spa-style bathroom is finished in lightweight Italian marble and features a rain shower and a smart vanity mirror, ensuring you never feel like you've left the comfort of a luxury estate. Performance in a vehicle of this size is often an afterthought, but Mercedes-Maybach has engineered a powertrain that is as smooth as it is capable. Under the hood, you have the option of a state-of-the-art 4.0-liter V8 Biturbo engine with 48-volt mild hybrid technology, delivering over 500 horsepower with effortless grace. For those looking toward the future, a fully electric variant is available, offering a whisper-quiet driving experience with a dual-motor setup that provides over 350 miles of range. The 4MATIC all-wheel drive system is standard, paired with the e-active body control suspension. This system scans the road ahead and pre-adjusts the damping at each wheel to neutralize bumps before you even feel them. Despite its dimensions, the rear axle steering allows this motorhome to maneuver through tight European streets or coastal bends with the agility of a much smaller SUV. It is a driving experience defined by silence, stability, and total control. Safety and technology are woven into the very fabric of the 2026 model. It features Level 3 autonomous driving capabilities, allowing the driver to relax during long highway stretches while the vehicle handles the steering, braking, and lane changes. A 360-degree protective shield of sensors and cameras ensures that parking and maneuvering this mobile mansion is stress-free. Every aspect of the living environment, from the climate control to the ambient lighting, can be adjusted via voice commands or a central tablet, making this the smartest motorhome ever produced. Now, let's discuss the price of such exclusivity. The 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Motorhome is designed for the world's most discerning travelers, and its pricing reflects its bespoke nature. The base configuration starts at approximately $450,000. However, most clients will opt for the first-class customization program, where personalized monograms, rare material trims, and off-grid solar packages can easily bring the final price to $600,000 or more. While it is a significant investment, it offers a lifestyle of total freedom without a single compromise in luxury. It is the ultimate expression of the manufacture philosophy, proving that you can indeed take the world's finest luxury with you wherever the road may lead. Would you like me to create a detailed comparison table between the V8 hybrid and the fully electric version of this motorhome?